In this video, we'll dive into the fascinating world of solar energy. We'll explore how this renewable power source can be converted into thermal and electrical energy, and discuss the main technologies used to capture and store solar energy, including aleothermal and photovoltaic systems. Solar energy is electromagnetic energy whose source is the sun. It is renewable and can be transformed into thermal or electrical energy, serving multiple purposes. The two main ways of harnessing solar energy are electricity generation and solar water heating. For electricity generation, there are two main systems, aleothermal and photovoltaic. Aleothermal energy, also known as concentrated solar power, CSP, works by reflecting solar rays with a set of mirrors. As the mirrors track the sun's position throughout the day, they reflect sunlight onto a heat receptor. This thermal energy is then transferred to a liquid, maintaining a high temperature that transforms water into steam. From there, the aleothermal power plant follows the same processes as a conventional plant. The steam drives a turbine, which activates a generator to produce electricity. A key advantage is the ability to store energy as heat in specific reservoirs, allowing for electricity generation even on cloudy days or at night. There are four types of aleothermal technologies: parabolic trough collectors, linear Fresnel reflectors, parabolic dishes, and central solar towers. Aleothermal plants require high solar incidence, so detailed studies must be conducted before installation in a region. These plants also require large areas, which can impact vegetation. However, sites chosen are often arid to avoid using fertile land or causing significant harm to ecosystems. Certain bird species may be affected by central tower technology, but alert systems are being developed to help prevent accidents. Pilots flying close to the ground also need to be aware of the central tower's brightness, though commercial flights are not affected by this type of plant. Photovoltaic energy, on the other hand, is a process where solar radiation is directly transformed into electrical energy without passing through a thermal phase. Photovoltaic cells are made from semiconductor materials, typically silicon. When the cell is exposed to light, some electrons in the illuminated material absorb photons, particles of energy present in sunlight. These free electrons are carried by a semiconductor until they are pulled by an electric field. The free electrons are then taken outside the solar cell and become available for use as electrical energy. Unlike aleothermal systems, photovoltaic systems do not require high solar radiation to operate. When sunlight reaches a solar panel in a photovoltaic system, the panels capture this energy and transform it into electricity that can power your home, whether it's day or night, sunny or cloudy. This energy conversion allows you to use clean, renewable power that reduces your reliance on traditional electricity sources, and it works seamlessly to support your energy needs. Regardless of whether the electricity is generated by your solar panels or sourced from the grid, your appliances and devices function exactly the same, adjusting automatically to the energy source as needed. The panels generate direct current, DC, electricity, which is then sent to an inverter. This inverter plays a key role by converting the DC power into alternating current, AC, the type of electricity that homes use worldwide. Once converted, the AC electricity flows from the inverter to the home's main electrical panel, ready to be distributed to all the outlets, lighting fixtures, and appliances throughout the house. This makes it possible for solar energy to power all your home's needs, from charging devices to running your refrigerator. For additional convenience, many systems include an optional meter that can monitor energy usage in real time. This monitoring feature provides detailed, real-time insights into the amount of energy your home is consuming and the amount being generated by the solar panels, which helps you keep track of your usage and maximize efficiency. The system also alerts you to the solar panel status throughout the day, allowing you to stay informed and adjust your energy usage as needed. One of the unique advantages of solar power is that, during periods when your panels produce more electricity than your home actually needs, the excess energy flows back into the power grid. This causes the energy meter to run in reverse, essentially earning you credits with your energy provider, which can greatly reduce your monthly bill. Over time, these energy credits add up and can even result in a zero-balance electricity bill during certain months, creating considerable savings while contributing renewable energy to your local grid. When it's evening, or if your energy usage exceeds what the solar panels are currently producing, your home effortlessly pulls any additional electricity needed from the utility grid, ensuring a constant and reliable power supply. This setup means that, for most homeowners, the only noticeable change is a reduction in their monthly electricity costs due to their solar setup. Investing in a photovoltaic system is an eco-friendly choice, harnessing an endless energy source, the sun. This investment lowers energy costs and supports sustainable living. Choosing solar power helps reduce dependence on traditional sources, fostering a cleaner, greener future. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you learned something new and interesting. If you enjoyed the content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.